Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Vivo Y50, which was launched 2 months ago. I am super excited to be doing this unboxing because this is my first ever phone that I'm going to be owning, and my parents got this. They went to the store and they got it for me just now, and they came in the room while I was sleeping and they surprised me. If you guys want to watch how they surprised me, you can watch till the end of this video to see the clip of how they surprised me. Yeah, and my reaction to it. That was pure reaction. It's not scripted at all. Anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into this unboxing. Alright, so guys, this is the box. This is how it looks, and this says Vivo Y50. The battery capacity, it says here, 5000 milliamp hour. Over here it says 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. And on the back of this we can see that it has a few instructions, but we'll get to that later. So for now we're gonna open this up, keep that aside. Okay, we can see this first. It has the phone cover, the case, along with the SIM injector tool, and a few of these directions, and we'll put that aside. So this is the phone, and we'll get to this later. We'll put it aside. This is the battery, charger. Comes with a Type-C charger, as we can see, and it also comes along with an earphone. Very nice. Okay, now we're gonna look into the phone. Okay, so guys, looking back here, we can see that this is iris blue in color. It's very nice. It comes with a different range of colors, and this is what they have got. And right now we'll look at the cameras that are here in the back. There are 4 cameras. We're going to look at each of them. The first camera over here is of 2 megapixel. It's super macro 4 centimeters, and the next one is 8 megapixels, super wide angle with 120 degrees. And here, coming to the next one, which is just here, this one is 13 megapixel. It's the main camera, and right below that we have the 2 megapixel for the portrait mode, and down here we have the flash. We also have the front facing camera in the corner right of the phone, and then this is the 16 megapixel. So this phone's processor is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 mobile platform. This phone looks stunning and beautiful because it is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass, which is why we can see our fingerprint stains, but it is scratch resistant. But that's going to be no issue because I'm going to be using the protection case as it came, and that's going to be fine and it won't show. So guys, in the side of this phone, as you can see, we have the power button down here and the volume rocker. And on the side, we have the SIM slot. We'll go ahead and inject it, and we'll see how many we can insert. So we can see here, guys, that we can put 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card, which is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert this SIM card. So to insert this, we gotta push it right in. There, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna set up my phone right now. English and India. Okay, great. Okay, so now that we've inserted the SIM and we've set it up, let's check. This is the fingerprint sensor. We'll check it. Okay. It opened quite fast. Okay, so now this is how it looks. We've done the setting, and we'll also put the brightness on auto. So this is what it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put the case. Oh, there you go, guys. I can use my very first phone. This is really exciting. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Vivo Y50, and thank you for staying long enough to watch till the end, and for what you all have been waiting for, watch now as we show my reaction of how they surprised me with this phone. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, bye.
Hi Sissy. Hi Sissy. Hi. Say hi na. Hi. What is that? You slept or what?
No, I'm sleepy.
Get up.
Get up and see what is this.
What? Oh my gosh! What? oh my gosh! No way!
Yeah, mommy is so happy, see? Okay, now,